All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Yep, this coin, is the coin dead? Is Dogecoin dead right now, just like all these other cryptocurrencies? Well, Dogecoin is now the most traded over the top 1,000 Binance Chain Whales. So Dogecoin is the #1 traded token among the whales right this second. I know everything is down, so some people think that Dogecoin is dead. Well, if it's dead, how are these whales going and buying so much? It's the most traded token of them all. We're going to go to that. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Then the next thing we're going to talk about is the 7 best cryptocurrencies to get involved in right now while everything is down. The 7 best cryptos to look at why everything is down. And I'm talking 15, 20, 25. Dogecoin was down. Dogelon Mars was down 40% today. So we're going to talk about the top 7. All kinds of good stuff. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here, coin market cap. Dogecoin is number 11. It's at 13 cents right now. Haven't seen this in a while, 13 cents. Take a look at this. Down 29% in the last 7 days. I mean, that's almost a third, 30%. In the last 24 hours, not too bad, I guess, 8.75%. Notice everything around it is red. Polygon is down 36%. Avalanche is down 36%. Polkadot is down 35%. Luna is down 28%. So, is Dogecoin dead? I don't know, because everything is down right now. Clicking it. All right, in the last 24 hours over here, it's up 8.64%. Traded at around 13 cents. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It was at 14 cents and it's dropped down to 13 cents. What about in the last 7 days? 7 days ago, we had a high of about 18 cents and now it's at 13 cents. So it's kind of been going down, down, down. Now, again, this could be because of the interest rates. The Fed's talking about how they're raising interest rates. You got that going on. You got COVID-19 and all the different COVID things going on. And then you got the uncertainty of what else is going on. And then everything in crypto's going down. So you got a lot of different things. Now, remember, we talked about buckling up. Crypto's up real good one day, down the same day, to the left and to the right. Checking out the holders for Dogecoin. Clicking 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, we had 4.4 million. Today, we got 4.7 million. So about an 8% increase. So about 8% more people owning the Dogecoin right now. So going over to this article, Dogecoin. Now again, is Dogecoin dead right now? Just like everything else? I don't know. Look what this article says. Dogecoin is now the most traded among the 1,000 largest Binance Chain Whales. So if this token is traded the most between the whales, I don't think it, I mean, let's see what it says. This meme-based cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, was the most traded cryptocurrency among the wealthiest Binance Smart Chain whales in the past 24 hours. What happened? According to the update from a wallet, Doge was the most traded among the top 1,000 BSC whales. The top 1,000 BSC whales are now hold of a total of 46,618,000 Doge, according to the Whale Stats estimate. Doge was trading at a price of around 15 cents on Friday. We already know it's down to 13 cents. It's down 8% in the last 24 hours. This meme coin cryptocurrency negative price action was part of the wider crypto market sell-off during the Asian hours. Look at this. Bitcoin fell under 40,000. Well, under 40,000. Bitcoin's at 34.8. So yeah, I mean, Bitcoin has dropped tremendously too. Here's something that's positive also for the Dogecoin. Earlier this month, Tesla announced they were begin accepting Dogecoin for payments for merchandise such as bell buckles, was listed for 835 Doge. Cyber Quad for the kids, 12,000 Doge. Cyber whistles were 300 Doge. So again, Tesla is now accepting payment for Dogecoin for certain items. So that's a big positive in the right direction. So Dogecoin, do you like this coin? Do you think it's dead? Is it going to bounce back? Tesla is now accepting it as merchandise. So that's definitely positive in the right direction. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, with everything down right this second, we're going to talk about 7 cryptocurrencies to put on your radar to maybe get into before they all bounce back. Let's see what these 7 happen to be. All right, right here, the 7 best bear market cryptos to buy before the turnaround. When the bear market is over, you'll want to be holding these cryptos. So take a look at that picture right there. You got the bear and it's all over the cryptocurrencies. So wondering what the 7 are. I'm going to say that Bitcoin is not one of the 7. But let's see what it says. Recent weeks have been particularly kind to the cryptocurrency price, tokens, coins. They saw a huge price swing over the last months, slowly shrinking. Some are already back to where they were in October. This undoubtedly nerve-wracking to some investors, but tough times don't last forever. There are certain cryptos to buy in the moments in anticipation of the turnaround. Now watch this. The sell-off has begun, led more other than by Bitcoin. Profits taken by Bitcoin holders have prefaced a loss of nearly $20,000 off the coin's price over the last 3 months. So Bitcoin, everybody's taking the Bitcoin up. Here's the 7. So they're saying Flux should be one of the tokens to be looking at. Matic. Now we know we like Matic. Matic also has that thing with Amazon that it could be one of the 2 tokens that gets picked. Notice the Shiba Inu's right there. So they're saying Shiba. Decentraland. They like Mana. So one of the 7 is Mana. They're saying Ethereum. So, okay, so Bitcoin's not in the top 7, but they do like Ethereum for the bounce back. Terra, Luna, they're liking that, and XRP. So there's the 7 that they're saying that you should kind of keep an eye on. So right here they're saying crypto to buy is Flux, F-U-L-X. It says Flux is the smallest project that's listed here, but it won't be for long. This crypto is very savvy play on the Web 3.0 development and is one of the coins that is primed for a breakout over the course of the year. Not only due to speculative hype, but the product offers to strengthen its fundamental values. Of course, it doesn't hurt that it's rapidly growing the fan base over social media and it wants to see investors far and wide expose the network. So Flux, take a look at that. So you want to check that out. Number 2, Matic. I mean, everybody's heard of Matic, Polygon. So Polygon is very scalable. Issues aren't going to anywhere. So Polygon is number 2. Decentraland, Decentraland is good because of the metaverse. What does it say? Crypto prices are struggling, but interest is not enabled from the metaverse. This topic, the metaverse, remains very hot thanks to a large part of the tech giants continually push towards a social media world with more deeply entrenched virtual reality. So Mana or Decentraland is really, really good. Shiba, come on, everybody knows Shiba. They give the comparison is what's the next Shiba going to be. So Shiba, they think that's one of the 7. Ethereum, everybody likes Ethereum. It's been number 2 forever. So Ethereum is number 2 always, but it's actually listed in the top 7 here. They like Luna, so definitely Luna's good. And XRP is the last one there. So there's your 7. Put them on your radar, write them down. I don't know if you can get involved with all of them or one of them or you're already in these. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So I know crypto's down right now. A lot of the viewers are sending and saying they're buying the dip. A lot of people are buying the dip with Doge on Mars. A lot of people are actually repositioning. What are your thoughts? Give us your comments in the bottom. Is this crypto crash right now scaring you? Are you used to it? Have you seen this before? Are you loading back up? What are your thoughts? All right, let's head back over to Dogecoin. All right, over at Dogecoin's website, what does it say? 1 Dogecoin for 1 Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by the Shiba Inu worldwide. I want to go ahead and play this real quick for everybody. What is Dogecoin?
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, I really like that. That's actually right on the Dogecoin's website. So going back over to CoinMarketCap, over at CoinMarketCap here, Dogecoin down 29%. What's my price prediction? It's at 13 cents. I mean, within the last 7 days, this coin was at 18 cents. So my price prediction is it's going to get back to 17, 18 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only, but we've all seen this up and down thing. With 28% down right now, a lot of people may be repositioning. So let's go ahead, since we're right here at number 11, let's finish out the top 10. I mean, either you are really, really sad right now about this red, or you're really, really liking it because there's not too many opportunities that you can take advantage of this. Here we go. Polkadot's down 35% in the last 7 days. Luna is down 28%. XRP, I know a lot of people like XRP. It's 59 cents right now. It's down 24%. Solana is under $100. It's down 36% at $93. Cardano is down 18%. Binance is down 28%. Ethereum is down 28%. And Bitcoin is down 19%. This could be an investor's dream of what we're looking at right now. I don't know. Give us your comments in the bottom. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But again, this could be the best day that you like, or you could be real sad. But do remember, you got to strap in with cryptocurrency. Honest to gosh, it could go up 100% in one day and back down 100% in the same day, to the left and to the right. It really is. It's cryptocurrency. Anybody who's been in crypto for a while, you've seen this. I've had some of this, our viewers say that they've seen this before. They're loading up. I've had some people say they're done with it. I don't know what your thoughts are. So again, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.